Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the Java application student marks calculation using AI. First, we have to install the NetBeans ID in your machine. After that, what I am going to do is I am going to go to the Google ChatGPT. You have to type act as a world best Java developer. So I need to give the requirements over here. Input input student name, marks able to enter three subjects, calculate and display total, comma average, comma grade, comma rank. These are things I am going to calculate using Java Swing application NetBeans. Okay, not the I'm not include the developer. Okay, not include hooks. NetBeans. Okay, so let's run on it. Okay, here it's everything working. They are doing. Okay, so the simple. So they here they are searching here this text field. Everything is created. You can see here everything based on that condition. Here everything is there. Okay, here you can see here uh, grading display. This is the uh, three subjects marks in order to calculate and display the average, and after that calculate the rank. This is the grade calculation. After grade calculation, after that they are calculating the rank as okay. That's also the same thing. You have to convert calculating the rank and display. So here how do the things very successfully. First here in order to do first them, what I am going to do is I'm going to create the Java application first. You have to select Java with end Java application. Click next. If it is check minute class, uncheck it. You have to do these things. Student marks calculation. So you can do the program, but you can understand how to do the things. Okay, AI not you can explain it. Okay, you have just generate the tool. You have to understand how to do it. Now here you have to do the frame name which is student marks. Use the proper name while you creating the frame. Now here you have to size like that. Now your panel, you just drag and drop the panel. Select this one, properties, bevel border, okay. Drag and drop it. Name it here as student marks calculation. With bold, make the site little bit big. After that, I'm going to drag it over here. Properties, bevel border. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag one text field, this name, student name, right click properties, 14 with bold, outer text field, edit text backspace to remove the existing, select again, change variable txt name. Okay, txt name, you have to change the size as 40. Select both, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be marks 1. Second one, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl C to paste here, marks 2. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here, marks 3. This one you have changed as txt marks 1. This one, select this one, change variable marks 2. This one marks 3. That's it. After that, what you are going to do is here I'm going to go to simply you write here simply total right click properties, you have to make the 24 size, make it as 24 size. This one you have to align correctly, that is very must. Total, just select this one, right click properties, you have to size little bit bigger, you have to write this a total. Okay, so this is total label. Okay, so total label, you have to write label lbl, so total, so total will be displayed. Or same thing, all down the alt key down and get, sorry, control C to copy, control V to get another copy of the total label, paste it over here. This should be rank. Okay, so this should be the grade average. So you have to write it average. This one should be, you have to change as lbl total. This one should be the lbl average. This one should be lbl total. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the grade. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. Select the frame, right click properties, code, generate center, close it, none on it. Okay, now here I'm going to select this one, go to source, Control F, UI, go changes matter. Now it's working perfectly well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to implement the code section. So I need one button, calculate. You have to give the name as calculate. Right click properties, font bold, 14th, calculate. This is my button. Okay, So after what I'm going to say, double click on it, right click, event, action perform. So right over here, this all the codes that we have done so far. These are the things. So here what I did here is we have to put it there, these three things. This is okay. Here what I did here is here this AI, we have a three subjects. The three subjects we have to assign into the, we have to create three variables. All are integer type variables. So here we have to change it as a that respective text field name. This is the text field txt marks1. This is the name. Second one is marks to the second name. Third one marks is the third name. We have to give the name. Okay, respective name. After that, sub1, sub2, sub3 gave successfully. After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to calculate the total. Okay, so copy this and paste it over here. Here what I did here is, you have to, in order to calculate the total, we have to declaring the variable total. These three variables you have to put it here along with the plus symbol. All are calculated assigned to the total variable. After total calculated, we have to calculate the average. The average we have divided by the number of subjects, three subjects here divided and assigned to the average variable. After that, I am going to calculate the grade. Grade calculation, you have to calculate this one. Okay, so grade calculation. So here what I did here is, if the average is more than 75, grade should be A. If it is more than 65, B, 50, C, 35, S, otherwise F. Okay, so this is the condition. The student who gets more than 75, grade will be A. The student who grade will be more than 65B. So that according to the condition, we have calculated the grade. Okay, so that is the things I just copied and you have to paste it over here. Based on the condition, the grade will be displayed. Okay, the appropriate grade will be displayed. Okay. Okay, now let's put that text box and try on it. So here just copy this all the things. So we have to rank as that is the total. So label, this is just copy the change variable, Ctrl C to copy this label name, paste on it over here. Second one is average, copy this average. This is a LBL grade, the label grade. So here you have to, this one you have to comment it. So now here what I'm going to do is, we have to calculate, if it is total, we have to calculate string value of, we have to, directly we have to we can't directly we call the total, we need to convert it. Okay, so when you add the numbers, we have to get display on the text field, we have to convert on it. How to convert string dot value of. Okay, so that thing like this. Raju who 6 9, click calculate here. Everything can display successful. This is your marks. So average is grade. It's are working fine. Okay, so here we need to, if you have to the rank of the same thing like that. We have write the excellent all the things, so that we no need the rank. Okay, so we have to the grade. They're both the same. Okay, so these are the calculation works. This one should be the grade. Okay, should be grade. Sorry, okay, so this is a program, you have to do it. Okay, Raghu Sean mark 67, 89, 89 is a gate. I hope you guys will understand things well. Thanks for watching.